Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do an unboxing, a video that I have never done before. This unboxing of blind boxes. This one, what I have here is the Labubu Monsters series Coca-Cola collaboration. And the next one will be the Bunny Christmas Santa Claus unboxing. So I've already torn a little bit on the top, and I thought, oh, why not let's do this unboxing together. So right now here we have got one box of Bunny Christmas, and at the side of the box you can see that there's actually the 9th secret figurine, which I think only certain boxes will have. So let's see if I manage to get the secret figurine from Bunny Christmas. So Bunny Christmas is kind of like limited because they only come out in the Christmas season. So I got one from Top Hat. Here we go. And hopefully, let's see. Hopefully it's a secret. Let's take a look. I'm not sure if you like this kind of unboxing video other than, the luxury collections. But, well, why not? Blind boxes are interesting too because you never know what you will get. Oh, I managed to get Naughty Reindeer. It's quite cute too. Look at the sad eyes, the dreamy eyes. And he's holding a little bell on her hand. And there's also a little charm on her right foot. So this is the Naughty Reindeer. Quite cute. Does it stand? Let's see. Oh, it doesn't really stand. No, it doesn't really stand. Take a look. Yeah, it doesn't really stand. Well, let me know if you have the same thing. Let me know if it stands. Mine doesn't really stand. So let me know if you have the same thing. Where's the card? Naughty Reindeer. Okay. Shall we proceed to the Labubu blind box unboxing? I've got a full-size box here. Okay, let's unbox this together. So normally for Labubu, you can actually get the mysterious figurine if you're lucky. And they don't have the mysterious figurine in every box. So I mean, you have to be lucky enough to get the unique one. If not, I think everyone will get the same 6 figurines. I've actually got the Series 1 keychain, Labubu keychain, the furry one. Okay, so these are some of the figurines you'll be getting. We have 10 designs, and the lucky person will actually have the secret figurine, which is the Express, which means Labubu standing or sitting on an express train. So let's see if we are lucky. There you go. Here are the 10 figurines. Let's open them one by one. I'm actually interested to know if your country actually have a craze for Labubu as well. Oops, let's open this way. So, if you do have any, please let me know because I'm interested to find out how crazy is this Labubu craze. Kind of difficult to open. Look what I found. this one will be this piece. Okay, that's the first one. Now let's open the second one. In fact, I think it's quite tightly sealed at the bottom of the box. Let's look at the card. And this one is the Crazy Ride. It's riding on a motorbike actually. Third one. There are 10 designs in total. Oh, super surprise. This is a super surprise. Which is this one. Next one we have the fluff box. Let's see. So it says gift delivery. Very interesting. I kind of like the design for gift delivery. This I think is really cute. Okay, this should be the fifth box. This says time to cool down. Labubu holding the Coca-Cola. Oh yeah, not I need to share this. The reason I buy this is because it's a collab with Coca-Cola. Which I think is kind of seasonal thing to do. And I believe Coca-Cola must have thought through who to collab with. So if Coca-Cola has chosen to collab with Labubu, which means they actually see a market for Labubu, and that's why they choose to collab with Labubu. Snowy Mountain. Alright, last 4 boxes. Hopefully we can get the limited mysterious figurine over here. 1 out of 4 chances now. Alright guys, do leave down your comment below if your country has a craze for Labubu. Let me know which country you are from. Because I know in the Asia region, people are crazy over Labubu. Okay, this is Little Snowman. It is still not the mysterious Labubu figurine. As I shared earlier, the mysterious one is actually called Express. Okay, let's see this. Vacation Fit. Vacation Fit. Last 2 chances. Okay, now last 2. Let's see if we can get anything here. Special so far. Last chance guys, what do you think? Leave down a comment below. Do you think I can get the special edition? It's like 10 chances. This is the last one. Yes, I'm going to get the mysterious one here, please. Surf with me. Alright, no luck this time. No mysterious Labubu figurine this time, but hey, anyhow, I really love each of them. They are really cute, and it is the Coca-Cola collab. So yes, if you like my unboxing video, remember to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more unboxing videos. Talk to you guys again. Bye.